Abdomen sign and symptoms, feeling of pulsation under the umbilicus, feeling of energy rising in the abdomen. Feeling of pulsation under the umbilicus, rebellious chi in the penetrating vessel. Feeling of pulsation under the umbilicus, abdominal distension, epigastric fullness and discomfort, feeling of tightness of the chest, palpation, anxiety, feeling of the lump in the throat, feeling of heat in the face, firm pulse. Kidney not receiving chi. Feeling of pulsation under the umbilicus, breathlessness, wheezing, sighing, sweating, pale tongue, weak pulse. Phlegm fluids in the abdomen. Feeling of pulsation under the umbilicus, abdominal fullness and distension, vomiting of watery fluids, feeling of oppression of the chest, the stool, swollen tongue with sticky coating and deep wiry pulse. Feeling of energy rising in the abdomen. Western patient will seldom report the symptom as such, but it does not occur frequently, and it must be elicited on interrogation. In Chinese medicine, the symptoms occurs in the so-called running piglet pattern. The patient feels a sensation of energy rising all the way from the lower abdomen to the truth, as if there were a running piglet in the abdomen. The most common pathology causing the symptoms is rebellious chi in the penetrating vessel. Rebellious chi in the penetrating vessel. Feeling of energy rising in the abdomen, abdominal distension or fullness, epigastric fullness and discomfort, butterflies in the stomach, feeling of tightness of chest, palpitation, anxiety, feeling of a lump in the throat, feeling of heat in the face, firm pulse. Stagnant liver chi turn into heat, revealing upwards. So feeling of energy rising up from the abdomen to throat and face from the lower abdomen. Feeling of heat in the face. Anxiety, easily startled feeling as if one is going to die. Palpitation, abdominal pain, bitter taste, vomiting, mental restlessness, feeling hot and cold, tongue with red side and yellow coating, wiry rapid pulse, cold gene in the abdomen, feeling of energy rising in the abdomen, abdominal fullness, distension and pain, vomiting of watery fluids, feeling of oppression of the chest, loose stool, feeling colds, cold limbs, lower back ache, pale and swollen tongue with sticky coating, deep, tight pulse. Thank you for your attention.